Good morning! Let's talk tayo. So, yesterday, we went to, is that yesterday? Oh, last Sunday. We went to Zumba. Then, habang nandun kami, meron akong napanood na nandun din. Kasi before pala ng Zumba namin, there is also yung mga matatanda na doon. Sumasayaw sila. So, I realized na when you're getting older pala, you're not just fighting boredom, but you always find ways na full pa rin yung life mo. Like, doing some dance kasi everybody's like yung mga anak mo malaki na, meron na silang mga sariling life. So pag tumatanda ka pala, you find ways na you still feel fun, meaningful yung life mo. So siguro nagsusumba na kami, so we're starting doing that. Building that na someday hindi naman kami maboboard. So yun, talagang gagawa ka talaga ng paraan na masaya ka pa din, kompleto pa rin, kasi your life before will shift to another level pag tumatanda ka na. So aging makes everyone intentional about how you spend your time. So parang syempre mag-isip ka kung ano na magagawin mo kinabukasan, wala ka ng trabaho eh. Ganun. Or mag-iintay ka na lang ng pension mo. Sarap mag-retire siguro So you start exploring, you start making some joy, fun, and mental stimulation. Ganun. Hanggang mental na lang. So you also want to have physical movement na okay pa din, and peaceful and relaxation. So minsan naghahanap ka ng mga creative hobbies, like magpipaint na yun, magagansilyo. I'm starting now doing some craft. So siguro hindi naman ako maboboard pag ako tumanda. Hanap na lang tayo ng pagkalibangan. Ayun. So aging becomes finally a chance of doing something na hindi mo nagawa nung kabataan, kasi nga wala ka nang gagawin eh. Mag-iisip ka na ng ano naman kaya gagawin ko kinabukasan. parang ganun siguro. Yun lang naman, i-share ko lang for today's Let's